How to use a Beardo Don Trimmer. Step-by-step guide. Locate the grooves next to the U-shaped trimmer blade on the trimmer head. Take the comb attachment upside down and slide it into the trimmer head, aligning it with the grooves. Once the comb attachment is fully inserted, press down with your thumb until you hear a click sound, indicating it is securely attached. Adjusting length settings. Locate the knob just below the trimmer head, which is used for adjusting the length settings. By default, the setting will be at 0 mm. Rotate the knob towards the right to access different length settings. Look for a small vertical line on the trimmer body, which serves as an indicator for the selected length setting. Keep rotating the knob until you find your desired length. Ensure the comb attachment is always connected while adjusting the length setting. Locate the charging socket at the bottom of the trimmer. The trimmer can be used cordless or corded. For cordless use, charge the trimmer fully. It provides up to 120 minutes of runtime on a full charge. Simply plug in the charger into the charging socket to charge the trimmer. Note: always refer to the user manual for detailed instructions and safety precautions before using the Beardo Don Trimmer.